Sourabh Raj Jain visits Siddhivinayak temple before 2 Dhadkan main dil premiere. Remember Sourabh Raj Jain, who played Lord Krishna in the renowned television series Mahabharat. The actor is now gearing up to impress the audience with his upcoming TV show 2 Dhadkan main dil. Ahead of the show's grand premiere, the actor took a spiritual sabbatical at the serene and sacred Siddhivinayak temple in Mumbai. Taking to his Instagram stories, the actor dropped a couple of pictures from his spiritual visit on June 20. Dressed in a casual white t-shirt with blue floral prints, white pants, and a cap, the actor looked unapologetically handsome as he posed for the lenses, exuding his bright smile. The picture presumably captured the actor before his visit inside the temple, as he was holding a puja thali in the first snippet. His caption read, "Abka Ashirwad Sabpar Banarai," expressing faith before this upcoming show. The second picture gave fans a distant glimpse of the holy Siddhivinayak temple. Sourabh posted it alongside Ganpati Bappa Moria and the details of his show. Coming to 2 Dhadkan main dil, the show draws inspiration from the classic Beauty and the Beast narrative. It explores how love, music, and emotional connection can bring out softness even in the ruthless hearts. Known for taking on a range of roles across genres, Sourabh Raj Jain will be playing Raghav, a tough, emotionally reserved man, in 2 Dhadkan main dil. Raghav's character's life takes an unexpected turn when he's faced with love, vulnerability, and the challenge of reconnecting with his estranged daughter. Produced by Swastik Productions SKT Origins, 2 Dhadkan main dil is all set to premiere on Star Plus from June 23 at 7 p.m. The sitcom promises a refreshing departure from conventional family dramas, which is poised to connect with audiences seeking both heart and soul in storytelling. Sourabh Raj Jain is a popular face in the Indian television industry, particularly remembered for his mythological shows. He played Lord Vishnu in the 2011 show Devan K Dev Mahadev, but it was his portrayal of Lord Krishna in the Mahabharat that skyrocketed him to fame. Apart from these roles, Sourabh has demonstrated his acting versatility in Paishala Babes, where he portrayed a cook. The actor has also participated in several reality shows like Nak Bala with his wife, Riddhima Jain, and Katran K Khiladi in 2021. He has also stupefied fans with his thriller Baita. Co-starring Sudhanshu Rai, Puneet Sharma's film depicted a mysterious realm with sinister forces. Hiten Tejwani, Tarun Khanna, Shobhit Sujay, Manish Rai, Siddharth Banerjee, and others also starred in supportive roles in the series. Latest blogs.